NASA and the European Space Agency have been warning the world for 2 years about the approaching catastrophes that may unfold during 2017 to 2019. Few listened. Although NASA covered up the strange photon cloud that's now enveloped the solar system, the word has leaked out from some scientists. And now, as the ominous cloud approaches, it's affecting the sun and planets in measurable ways. Amazingly, as the bizarre energy invades our space, some of the world's most famous pyramids are generating intense energy. Several incredible incidents of visible power beams shooting skywards into space towards the region of the alien photonic cloud are well documented. At the same time, people around the world began hearing and recording frightening sounds, noises that seem as if the Earth itself is moaning and wailing. All the phenomena, including measurements of the never-before-seen gigantic electrification of the turbulent sun, seem to be centered on the deadly photonic cloud that some have called a potential doomsday space event. Ancient pyramids awake after centuries, millennia of slumber. Tourists screamed, others shot hasty videos with their camera phones as the Mayan pyramid rumbled. But no earthquake followed. Instead, a brilliant beam of light shot skyward into space as onlookers gasped, wondering what it meant. But the Mayan pyramid of Kukulkan, transmitting a rock column of incredible energy into space, was just the latest pyramid to do so. Artists' recreation of what witnesses saw at Bosnian pyramid recently. The Chinese government began closely monitoring the Xianyang pyramid for signs of activity. Last year, a team of scientists investigated the pyramid and believe it may have extraterrestrial origins. Aztec pyramid of the moon blasts energy vortex from apex. That amazing incident was followed by the vortex blast, witnessed and captured on film, shooting from the apex of the famous Aztec pyramid of the moon in Teotihuacan, Mexico. Energy beams, vortexes, whirlwinds of intense force. What does it mean? Where is that energy being directed and why? What activated the mysterious power of these silent sentinels of stone, quietly marking the passage of centuries? Until something disturbed their slumber. What brought them to life may be something more incredible than the actions of the pyramids, the arrival of an unknown force from the galactic void that's now surrounded much of the solar system. Calling it a once-in-a-lifetime supersolar storm event, NASA warns that killer solar flares can slam the Earth, knocking out the Northern Hemisphere's technological infrastructure and kicking everything back to the level of the late 1800s. Terrified scientists at NASA discovered on July 14, 2010 that our system is passing through an interstellar energy cloud. This highly energized, electrified cloud of gas is disturbing and disrupting the sun. In conjunction with Earth's weakening and moving magnetic shield, the world is becoming defenseless against massive solar flares and intense radiation. NASA, the ESA and the National Academy of Science have issued an unprecedented solar storm warning. But what NASA and the federal government are hiding, according to Dmitriev, is that the sun, and everything in our solar system, has plunged into an alien, unknown photon cloud. A belt of danger that could precipitate gigantic solar explosions, magnetic anomalies, careening cometary masses, and destabilize the orbits of some asteroids. The pyramids, natural reservoirs of Earth energy and advanced capacitors engineered to draw upon the planet's magnetic force field, are releasing and blasting pure energy into the drifting space cloud engulfing our defenseless planetary system. The predicted harmonics have been heard, recorded, and heatedly discussed since the spring of 2011. Recently, some recordings have appeared on YouTube from countries all over the globe, posted by puzzled, sometimes frightened people, demanding to know what the sounds are. Solar storm caused space quake, which could trigger 6+ magnitude earthquake and rumble sound. While some are undoubtedly fakes and hoaxes, others are genuine recordings of subterranean and atmospheric harmonics.